Ask for direction. 問路。Excuse me, where is the train station? 請問邊度係火車站呢？請問邊度係火車站呢？ Excuse me, where is the nearest train station? 請問最近嘅火車站響邊度呢？請問最近嘅火車站響邊度呢？ Excuse me, do you know how to get to the airport? 請問點樣去機場呢？請問點樣去機場呢？ Excuse me, can you please tell me how to walk to the train station? 請問點樣行去火車站呢？請問點樣行去火車站呢？ Excuse me, roughly how long will it take to walk to the nearest train station? 請問大概要行幾耐去到最近嘅火車站呢？請問大概要行幾耐去到最近嘅火車站呢？ If I want to get to the nearest train station, where should I alight? 如果我想去最近嘅火車站，請問要響邊度落車呢？如果我想去最近嘅火車站，請問要響邊度落車呢？ Excuse me, is there a bus to go to the nearest train station? 請問邊一路巴士可以去到最近嘅火車站？請問邊一路巴士可以去到最近嘅火車站？ Excuse me, which bus goes to the airport? 請問邊一路巴士去機場呢？請問邊一路巴士去機場呢？ Excuse me, can you please tell me the name of this road? 請問呢條街叫咩名？請問呢條街叫咩名？ If I want to go to the airport, should I take the bus on this side or the other side? 如果我要去機場，請問我應該響呢邊搭車，定話係響嗰邊搭呢？如果我要去機場，請問應該響呢邊搭車，定話係響嗰邊搭呢？ Excuse me, where can I buy the ticket? 請問響邊度買飛？請問響邊度買飛？ Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye. 多謝收睇，下次再見。Bye.